Good YouTube, welcome back to Meme Coin Daily. This is where you find the hottest and the newest degen plays in the crypto space. Hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys are doing amazing. Yeah, I see the channel pulled up, man. Brand new channel, 189 subscribers. If you're new to the channel, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. That's the first goal. Now, before I get into the video, I just gotta let you guys know I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before investing in any project, especially when it comes to crypto, because they are very risky and very volatile assets. So never invest more than you're willing to lose if you choose to do so. You know what I'm saying? I got a funny meme project for you guys. Let's head over to Dex Tools real quick so you guys can see what I'm talking about. It's #1 right now on trending. See, I already know. Top 10 peers on Dex Tools. #1, the protocol. How it started is such a funny meme, but let's go for the rest of the top 10. #2 we have Wool, #3 we have Suka, #4 WCI. WCI is up a lot from my previous video. Let me know if y'all want me to make an update. We have Kaida, never heard of that. Swing, Sir, Bone, YDF, and Zen. I see a lot of controversy still around Zen to this day. But in this video, we're checking out the protocol. Let's see the chart. You see this chart? Yeah, it's crazy, man. And this is the thing, right? I saw it around here, but what recently happened is Vitalik himself, you know, Vitalik, founder of Ethereum, liked one of the protocol's tweets, and then all of a sudden, on a rampage, okay? On a rampage. How much percent is that? Up 798%. Let me see, bro. On the daily it has 594%. So yeah, around 600-700% on the 24-hour, guys. That is insane. That is some absolute madness. And you see right here, it's holding the floor. We on the 2-hour. Let's go to the 30-minute. You see right here, it did a bit of a correction, and then all of a sudden it looks like it's ready to pop again. It's looking like it's ready to break out again, bro. This is crazy stuff, man. Only in the degen space do you find runs like this. The most difficult part though of the degen space is getting in down here before the madness happens. That is the difficult thing to do in the degen space, the meme coin space, is to get in down here. You get in somewhere down here, you know what I'm saying? You get your initial out, and then you just take that roller coaster all the way to the top. Man, let's see what we got here on the Uniswap info, guys. We got 587k in liquidity, $16.78 million in trade volume. I think it recently got listed on an exchange too. 3.3k holders, 19.97 mil market cap. Around, like, you could round it off to 20 mil market cap. Crazy, bro. Let's pull up the website real quick, and this is where it all started, guys. The protocol, vitalik.eth. Vitalik, the creator of Ethereum. Someone should make a project called the protocol so that their shills can say, look, so and so mentioned the. Pretty much anytime anyone says anything, and a meme coin was born. Tokenomics, 0% in tax, 100% liquidity burn. You don't have to worry about any liquidity getting pulled. They got a video right here. Simple as that. 20 million market cap. And then they got some projects with the most utility in the world right now as we speak, right? Chilling at around 2, 3, 4 million market cap. Most utility in the world. And just went to 20 million market cap. Only in the degen space, guys. We gotta come together as a collective to get into these projects down here, guys, so we could come together as a one hive mind to find these projects down here, guys. That's the plan, okay? All right, guys, let's pull up coin market cap for the real quick. Okay, so we got 10,000 people has the on their watch list, and the price is 2 cents. Can the go to 10 cents, guys? Honestly, another 5x from here, 10 cents. I wouldn't rule it out, you know what I'm saying? 1 billion circulating supply, so we got to get to a billion market cap to hit $1. anything could happen in crypto, guys. So you never know, like, you know what I'm saying? But 10 cent, 15 cent, another 5x, maybe even another 10x from here, from 20 million market cap. Maybe it goes to 100 mil, 200 mil market cap. I wouldn't rule it out. I wouldn't be shocked, you know what I'm saying? Anything is possible in crypto, guys. Y'all saw what World Cup Inu did. You know what I'm saying? When I covered World Cup Inu, I think it was around 5 to 10 million. Now it's at 30 million or something like that. 35, or maybe it dipped now, I'm not sure, but it went to 35 million. Mexi, it's listed on Mexi on an exchange before, like, so quick too. Like Mexi was like, oh no, I gotta get some of this trade value. $60 million in trade value. That is some crazy stuff. Let's check out their official Twitter, see what that's like. These are how memes start, man. 2,000 followers on 2.7k followers on Twitter. Got a tweet from Eric the Crypto Man showing the growth of the 2,000 holders just yesterday, first CEX listing before they got on CoinGecko Coin Market Cap. People making TikToks. VITALIK, Elon. Who's this guy? Oh my gosh, bro. Look, Binance mentioned the word. What's your crypto word of the week? The. That's the crypto word of the week. The. This is what I was looking for. You see this image right here? One of the tweets that the put out, Vitalik liked it. Let's check out the Telegram. The Telegram must be a wilder place. 2,891 members in the Telegram. I'll just leave it up so you guys can see the hype that's going on. It's go time. Man, the Telegram going crazy. 30 mil incoming. I could already tell you the Telegram will be going crazy. New buy just came in. Somebody bagging $200 worth of the. Telling you, man, you never know what could happen, because I saw World Cup Inu at 1 mil market cap and I faded, bro. Lost out on like 35x. Think about that. You know what I'm saying? But this is the thing, like when it comes to these plays, guys, you never invest more than you're willing to lose, because that's how you end up wrecked, like myself. Not financial advice, like I say, guys, but if you ever invest in projects like these, super risky plays, super degen plays, you invest an amount, you're okay with, you know, waking up the next day and not seeing it goes to zero. You gotta have that wherewithal for projects like this, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, guys, I really love the memeability of the protocol. Community super strong, as you can see from the Telegram, as you can see from Twitter. If you're a part of the community, let me know your thoughts of the video down in the comment section. If you're seeing it on Dex Tools, you're like, bruh, maybe I should get it. Let me know your strategy in the comment section for the protocol. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.